Hey guys, today's going to be a real quick video. After working on the Polonia infantry units from the previous video that you can check out right here, I decided to change up some of the helmets. So I changed the hat into a helmet, and they were instantly World War II German troops. So I gave them little rifles and backpacks and stuff, and printed them up as well. And now I've just got a bunch of World War II Germans. So, pretty cool. I advise you go check them out. They're available on the Thingiverse. And I'll just go through some nice little booty shots here for you. And yeah, I'm really surprised how well they turned out. I have some more plans for these guys, considering I have some mechanized infantry units here, or mechanized tanks here. I decided I might as well make some World War II versions of this, so there's something to look forward to in the next video coming up, possibly. Anyways, if you are interested in checking it out, they are on Thingiverse, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a request in the comments below, and I might go ahead and make one, or make it, so you can print it yourself. So if you're interested in supporting me here on YouTube, you're more than welcome to head over to Patreon and pledge a couple $2 per video. It actually really helps me out, and I'll be giving you guys some exclusive models over there. So go check it out if you're interested. No pressure otherwise, and I hope to catch you around in the next video. See ya.